Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all your positive response on my previous videos. And those who are new to my channel, I want to tell you that on this channel I create weekly videos of how I teach my 4-year-old, and I upload creative ways and methods of teaching my little one. And today in this video I'm going to share with you a much requested topic on what all I have as art supplies for my 4-year-old son Abi. To begin with, the basic ones are these oil pastels. I prefer doing all my regular basic stuff with this. Oil pastels are a must have for kids of any age because they help in developing the pincer grasp and the developing those little muscles. And these are the most appropriate colors to use for various art projects, and this tops the list. Oil pastels are a must have. To start with, if you don't want to go for the 50 pack set, you can go for these triangular ones for little ones, which are slightly thicker, and they provide a certain level of grip for the little ones to hold and kind of master the skill of drawing and mixing. So what I also like about the oil pastels is that if they are learning art and they are learning to do shading, etc., it's the most ideal method of learning shading and the different forms of art. Apart from that, for sketching and coloring on smooth surfaces, I prefer these sketch pens over the normal ones. These are this one is from Camlin, I guess, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. So these are bold sketch pens basically, so they can be used as sketch pen and to color basic art projects and school projects, and they give a smooth rich texture, and I find them better than the normal ones. I have the thinner ones as well, the usual ones that we get for kids, the usual one. I'll show it to you here. Wait, I'm talking about these sketch pens over here. So the normal ones, my son, those who are regular on my channel know that my son is an absolute dinosaur fan, so I keep I have a lot of dinosaur things in my place. So this is one, but I prefer these sketch pens over the normal ones. These are bold ones and can be used by adults as well. I use it for a lot of his school projects and all. Apart from that, these are the markers that we have, the permanent markers, the marker and small little duster for convenience. Then we have the highlighters for giving a different texture to the drawing or coloring project that they do. I'll go to the pencil thing. As most of you know that coloring with pencils improve their gross and fine motor skills, and it's a very good exercise. Coloring with pencils if you develop this habit of coloring with pencils, it sharpens your writing skills, it improves your handwriting, and a lot of other benefits are there. So these are again from Faber. I'll just get it closer. Faber Castell. I'll link it below in the description box for those who want to buy them. So I prefer these pencils. These are triangular ones, give a good grip to the child, good for their small little muscles. Then I'll go to these plastic crayons. I have a bunch of them, but we hardly use them. It gives a edge over the other oil pastels, because when it is a workbook or coloring on a worksheet sort of a thing, I prefer these, so that the color doesn't spread on the other page. So just to avoid any leakage of color or printing of the color on the over the other page, I prefer these ones. Now coming to my absolute favorite, these are the gel crayons. Yes, you heard it right. This is a new pack that we got. We have been an absolute fan of gel crayons. Have bunch of them by Camlin. These are the neon ones, and we've been using it because they provide a certain level of texture and smoothness of color. So the child absolutely loves coloring with gel crayons because it reduces the effort of coloring and takes lesser time than oil pastels, though they are not recommended for a lot of proper art projects or for mixing and mixing of colors and for shading, etc. But if you are doing some sort of casual art and you're encouraging the child to create something on their own, make their greeting card and something that they will enjoy doing, I will absolutely recommend these gel crayons. I'll link it below in the description box because it reduces the efforts and kids love using them. But there's one side effect to it, because after using these gel crayons, it will be a little difficult to get them back to the oil pastels because it absolutely reduces the pressure on the hand. It's very smooth on when it comes to the texture, and kids love them, and they can get addicted to these. So I use them in moderation. When I want him to enjoy coloring and be on his own, I'll give him this and he'll be fine. He'll be absolutely happy. So highly recommended, but beware of the fact that the child can get addicted to it. So it's best to use oil pastels most of the times, but this can be used as a treat at certain point of time. Then I'll come to the watercolors. This is poster colors set of 12. You can go for more for some serious art projects, like Abid learns art, so these are absolutely useful for him. Similarly, watercolor tubes are here. These are the most common ones that you get in the market. I'll link it below in the description box. These are the watercolor cakes, makes it more convenient to use. So the cover of this box can be used as a palette at times, so I do that most often with Abid. Wait, I'll show you. Look a little messy because we have been using it for a while now. My son started doing art when he was 2.5, so we've been using it, and we use this portion of so it looks a little messy, but yeah, very useful product for us. Then I'll go to the pencils. I use a lot of different sort of pencils, but I've come across these Camlin high quality drawing pencils specifically designed for artwork. There are a lot of other options available in the market online. You can search through them, but these are decent enough. I also use DOMS, colorful pencils, and various other pencils that are available in the market. I don't have a fixation for specifically these pencils, but since we got them online and we are using it, they seem to be fine. Apart from that, set of brushes. We have a bunch of them, but here I'm only showcasing the most important ones that we use. We use a thick one. There's a thin one that we got with the watercolor pack, and a medium one. So you can go by the numbers. We can do a separate video on the kind of paint brushes a child can use. And this is for the water. This is a spill proof kind of container which helps in if the child is naughty like Abhi. It saves you from, you know, spilling the water while doing any art project. So it comes with this, it makes it a little convenient. So that's about it. If you have any suggestion, if you have any other product that you want to mention, you know, just share it in the comment section with us. We would love to know about them. And for now, this is it, and I'll definitely make a separate video on the kind of art sheets and the other supplies that we use for our art and craft projects. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Come back. If you like this video, please do share a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you like all my videos, most of my videos, please do subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload a new video, you can get notified about it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.